Deuteronomy chapter 14, verse 2, it states there that the Almighty chose the Israelites as the chosen nation. And immediately after saying that we are a chosen nation, it says that we should watch out what we are eating. And is giving us a list, a menu, what we can eat and what we cannot eat. Which means in order to be a chosen nation, in order to be clean spiritually, that one of the conditions that is necessary is the food that we are eating. So therefore, we need to understand that keeping kosher is not about just health. It's about helping our soul to elevate. Because certain kind of food that are not pure according to the Torah, according to the Bible, what they are doing, they are making it harder for the soul to elevate, to go to a higher consciousness. Doesn't mean that it's impossible that other people cannot, other nations cannot be elevated, even though that they are eating different kind of food. But if we are looking about the elevated people from the Far East, one of the things that they are doing for several years, at least they are almost not eating, fasting and fasting and fasting and fasting in order to purify themselves. So yes, the food is affecting on our spiritual level, and therefore the Jewish nation as a nation, not as individuals that are seeking spirituality, as a nation, all of us should eat kosher. It's essential. We need to understand that the kosher food is about spirituality. It's not religion.